Let's go full detail, textbook plus clinical level, the kind your pharmacology or nursing instructor would smile at. I'll keep it structured, thorough, and easy to revise from. Nafcillin, detailed drug study. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Nafcillin sodium, drug class, antibiotic, penicillinase-resistant penicillin, beta-lactam antibiotic. Brand names, Nafcil, Nallpen. Availability depends on country and hospital formulary. Drug forms, powder for IV injection, powder for IM injection. Open quote, Nafcillin is not orally effective due to acid instability. Close quote. Definition, Nafcillin is a semi-synthetic, narrow-spectrum beta-lactam antibiotic designed to treat infections caused by penicillinase-producing Staphylococcus aureus, particularly methicillin-sensitive Staphylococcus aureus, MSSA. Mechanism of action. Nafcillin binds to penicillin-binding proteins, PBPs, located in the bacterial cell wall, inhibits transpeptidation, a critical step in peptidoglycan synthesis, weakens the bacterial cell wall, causes osmotic instability, bacterial lysis, cell death. Bactericidal, resistant to beta-lactamase enzymes produced by staphylococci. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, poor oral absorption, must be administered parenterally, IV or IM. Distribution. Widely distributed into skin and soft tissue, bone, joints, lungs, limited CSF penetration unless meninges are inflamed, high protein binding 90%. Metabolism, metabolized in the liver, excretion, primarily excreted via biliary system, minor renal excretion. Half-life, approximately 30 to 60 minutes, requires frequent dosing. 5. Uses, treatment of MSSA infections, skin and soft tissue infections, osteomyelitis, septic arthritis, endocarditis, pneumonia, bacteremia. 6. Indications. Confirmed or suspected penicillinase-producing MSSA, severe staphylococcal infections requiring IV therapy, patients requiring penicillin therapy resistant to beta-lactamase. 7. Contraindications. Known hypersensitivity to Nafcillin, penicillins, history of severe immediate hypersensitivity reactions, e.g. anaphylaxis, angioedema. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in hepatic impairment, renal impairment, history of asthma, allergic disorders, antibiotic-associated colitis. Monitoring required. Liver function tests, AST, bilirubin, complete blood count, CBC, renal function and prolonged therapy. 9. How to use. Administer IV or IM. IV infusion over 30 to 60 minutes. Rotate IM injection sites. Maintain adequate hydration. Complete the entire prescribed course. 10. Dosing information. Adult dose, 1 to 2 gram IV every 4 to 6 hours. Severe infections, up to 12 growls per day. Pediatric dose, 50, 100 milligrams per kilograms per day, divided every 4 to 6 hours. Renal impairment, usually no adjustment required. Hepatic impairment, dose reduction may be required. Monitor liver enzymes closely. 11. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, administer as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double. Overdose symptoms. Nausea and vomiting, electrolyte imbalance, seizures, rare, management, supportive care, discontinue drug, monitor vitals and labs. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop early, risk of resistance, discontinue immediately if anaphylaxis, severe skin reaction, avoid concurrent alcohol if liver function compromised. 13. Side effects. Common, injection site pain, nausea, diarrhea, mild rash. Serious, anaphylaxis, hepatotoxicity, neutropenia, interstitial nephritis, Clostridioides difficile associated diarrhea. 14. Vital information. Effective only for MSSA, not effective against MRSA. Contains sodium. Caution in heart failure, hypertension. Prolonged use may cause superinfection. 15. Other drugs will affect. Drug interactions. Warfarin, bleeding risk, methotrexate toxicity, aminoglycosides. Do not mix in same IV line. Oral contraceptives, reduced efficacy. 16. Drug comparison, drug spectrum, root keynotes, Nafcillin, MSSA, IVIM, hepatic clearance, oxacillin, MSS, IVIM, more hepatotoxic, dicloxacillin, MSA, oral, mild infections, vancomycin, IV nephrotoxic. 17. Patient teaching, report allergic symptoms immediately, complete full course of therapy, inform healthcare provider of penicillin allergy, expect blood tests during treatment, report severe diarrhea or jaundice. Nafcillin nursing considerations. Mod 1 assessment. before administration. Allergy assessment. Assess for history of allergy to penicillins, cephalosporins, possible cross-sensitivity. Ask about rash, hives, anaphylaxis, angioedema. Do not administer if severe penicillin allergy is present. Baseline data. Vital signs, especially temperature. Signs of infection, redness, swelling, drainage. Obtain culture and sensitivity before first dose. Baseline laboratory values, CBC, liver function tests, AST, ALT bilirubin, BUN creatinine. 2. Nursing diagnosis common, risk for allergic reaction, risk for infection, risk for impaired liver function, risk for fluid and electrolyte imbalance, acute pain related to IM injection. Implementation, administration, route and technique. Administer IV or IM only. IV, infuse over 30 to 60 minutes, use a dedicated IV line, do not mix with aminoglycosides in same line. IM, use deep IM injection, rotate injection sites. Safety measures, keep epinephrine antihistamines and oxygen available, monitor patient closely during first dose, ensure proper dilution and compatibility. Monitoring during therapy, therapeutic response, decrease in fever, WBC count, redness, swelling, improvement in clinical symptoms, negative follow-up cultures, if ordered. Adverse effects. Monitor for allergic reactions, rash, itching, wheezing, anaphylaxis, hypotension, dyspnea, swelling, hepatotoxicity, jaundice, dark urine, AST alt, neutropenia, WBC, signs of infection, C. difficile diarrhea, severe watery diarrhea. Number 5. Laboratory monitoring, CBC, weekly if prolonged therapy, liver function tests regularly, electrolytes, high sodium content, renal function, especially with prolonged use. 6. IV site and injection site care. Assess IV site for phlebitis, infiltration, monitor IM site for pain, induration, abscess formation, rotate sites to prevent tissue damage. Number 7. Drug and diet interactions. Monitor patients on warfarin for bleeding. Advise backup contraception if using oral contraceptives. Monitor sodium intake in patients with heart failure, hypertension. 8. Patient education nursing teaching. Teach the patient to report rash, itching, swelling, breathing difficulty. Complete full course of antibiotic. Report severe diarrhea immediately. Expect periodic blood tests. Avoid self-discontinuation of therapy. Number 9. Special populations. Older adults, increased risk of liver dysfunction, electrolyte imbalance, monitor closely. Pediatrics, monitor weight-based dosing, observe for GI upset and rash. Pregnancy, category B generally safe, use only if clearly needed. Number 10. Evaluation, expected outcomes. Infection resolves. Patient remains free from allergic reaction. Liver enzymes remain within normal limits. No superinfection develops. Number 11. Red flags. Notify provider immediately. Signs of anaphylaxis, persistent fever, yellowing of skin or eyes, severe diarrhea, unexplained bruising or bleeding. Exam tip, open quote, Nafcillin equals MSS plus liver monitoring plus allergy watch. Thank you. Have a nice day.